Ever wondered how the year 2024 will unfold for the harmonious Libra? Let's embark on this exciting journey together. As we step into 2024, it's time to embrace the essence of Libra, balance. Striking a balance in life is what Libras do best, and this year, it's all about maintaining equilibrium in all aspects of life. Imagine a set of scales, perfectly balanced, standing firm and steady. That's the ideal state of being for any Libra, and this year it's more important than ever. In 2024, let's aim to create that perfect balance in our work, our leisure, and our relationships. Work is an essential part of our lives, and for Libras, it's crucial to find a career that is fulfilling and meaningful. But remember, all work and no play can tip the scales out of balance. Leisure time is equally important. It's the time to recharge, to explore new interests, or simply to relax and enjoy life's simple pleasures. In 2024, let's make sure to allocate time for both work and leisure to ensure a balanced and satisfying life. But there's one more element to consider: relationships. Libras thrive in the company of others, and maintaining strong, positive relationships is vital for a well-balanced life. This year, let's focus on nurturing those relationships that bring joy, growth, and harmony. Spend quality time with loved ones, make new connections, and strengthen existing bonds. And let's not forget about self-care. Maintaining balance also involves taking care of our own needs, both physical and emotional. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, plenty of rest, and time for self-reflection are all essential components of a balanced life. So let's welcome 2024 with open arms and a balanced mindset. This year, let's strive to create harmony in all aspects of life, to achieve a state of equilibrium that allows us to thrive. Remember, Libras, your balance is your strength. Use it to create a harmonious 2024. In the realms of relationships, Libras are known for their charm and diplomacy. This charm, combined with your innate ability to balance and harmonize, makes you a magnet for positive social connections. As we navigate the journey of 2024, it's essential to remember how vital these relationships can be. Cultivating relationships is much like tending a garden. It requires patience, care, and a good deal of love. And just like a garden, the fruits of this labor are bountiful. Relationships that bring joy and growth can help you thrive, providing a supportive network that can lift you up during challenging times and celebrate with you during moments of triumph. In 2024, let's make it a priority to invest in these relationships, to nurture the bonds that bring you happiness and personal growth. And remember, your charm opens doors, Libras. In 2024, let it open doors to lasting, enriching relationships. Libras, your aesthetic sense is your unique gift. It's a part of your identity, a reflection of your balanced and beautiful perspective. This year, it's time to let this artistic soul of yours take the lead. Imagine your life as a blank canvas, waiting for you to paint your masterpiece. Channel your creativity into whatever stirs your passion. Perhaps it's redecorating your living space, turning it into a tranquil haven that mirrors your inner calm. Or maybe it's diving into the world of photography, capturing the beauty you see in the world through your lens. It could even be as simple as starting a journal, letting your words flow freely, creating a symphony of thoughts and ideas. There's no limit to what you can create when you let your artistic spirit soar. So in 2024, don't hold back. Let your artistic side shine bright, Libras. Create, design, innovate. In the professional sphere, Libras are known for their diplomacy and ability to collaborate. Your natural knack for balancing different perspectives and fostering harmony makes you a valuable asset in any team. So how can you harness these skills to advance in your career in 2024? Firstly, lean into your diplomatic nature. Whether you're navigating complex work relationships or resolving conflicts, your ability to see all sides of a situation and find a balanced solution is your superpower. Don't shy away from it. Embrace it. Secondly, collaboration is key. Your charm and sociability make you a natural networker. Build strong professional relationships, be open to partnerships, and never underestimate the power of a well-placed connection. Lastly, remember that career advancement is a journey, not a race. It's about finding your path and moving forward at your own pace. Harness your diplomacy for career success, Libras. In 2024, collaborate, network, and climb the ladder of success. At Libras, your well-being matters, and so does your ability to make decisive choices. As we delve into this fifth scene, let's remember to prioritize self-care and decision-making in the year ahead. Your sign, symbolized by the scales, is associated with balance, beauty, and tranquility, all elements that are vital to your overall well-being. So let's make 2024 the year you fully embrace self-care routines that align with these inherent needs. Think of self-care not as an indulgence, but as a necessary aspect of your life. It's about creating a serene environment that allows you to rejuvenate and recharge. Perhaps it's a tranquil morning routine, a peaceful yoga session, or simply taking time to appreciate the beauty around you. Remember, self-care is personal and unique to each individual. Now, let's shift our focus to decision-making. Libras, your diplomatic nature often leads you to consider all perspectives, which can sometimes result in indecisiveness. However, the ability to make decisive choices is crucial to your progress and success. So how can you overcome indecisiveness? Start by trusting yourself. Believe in your ability to make sound decisions. It's okay to consider different viewpoints, but remember, at the end of the day, the decision is yours to make. Next, understand that not all decisions need to be perfect. Sometimes, it's more important to make a decision and adjust along the way, rather than getting stuck in analysis paralysis. And finally, practice. Like any skill, decision-making improves with practice. So, make small decisions daily to build your confidence. Remember, Libras, your well-being is paramount. In 2024, take care of yourself and make choices that propel you forward. Let's embrace this year with a renewed sense of balance, making sure to take care of our well-being and making decisive choices that align with our goals and dreams. Because you, dear Libras, are capable of achieving harmony and success in all spheres of your life.